How to import MBOX file into Thunderbird.
Basically, you can't directly import MBOX files into Mozilla Thunderbird by just drag and drop. However, Thunderbird allows you to do this with the help of a free extension. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process to import MBOX files into Thunderbird. So let's get started. First, open your Thunderbird application. Then, navigate to the bottom left corner and click on the Settings icon. From there, select Add-ons and Themes. In the search bar, type Import Export Tools NG. Once it appears in the results, click on the Add to Thunderbird button. A pop-up window will open, simply click Add, and the extension will be installed successfully. Now, close any unnecessary tabs and return to the main interface. In the Folders panel, right-click on Local Folders, then select Import Export Tools NG, and click on Import MBOX Files. You'll now see 4 different options: Individual MBOX Files, Individual MBOX Files with Subfolders, All MBOX Files from Directory, and All MBOX Files with Subfolder Structure. If you want to import a single MBOX file without subfolders, choose the first option. If your MBOX file includes subfolders, select the second option. For importing multiple MBOX files, use the third option, and if those files include subfolders, go with the fourth option. In this example, I'll import a single MBOX file, so I'll select Individual MBOX Files. Next, browse your device, select the desired MBOX file, and click Open. And that's it. Within a few moments, your MBOX file will be successfully imported, and all your emails and folders will be available inside Thunderbird. This is how you can easily import MBOX files into Thunderbird using a simple extension. Thanks for watching.